You need to wave, girl.
I am waving.
That's your job.
I'm going like this.
Okay, that's not a wave. That's like a shoo, fly, shoo. Wake up, folks. Wake up. Your horn doesn't sound bad.
I guess not. I guess I've never honked it before. Oh my gosh.
Whoever's horn that is sounds worse.
I think that's
It's like
Deja's.
that.
I think it's Deja's.
He's letting us in. Wake up, guys! You're trying to sleep in the day, forget about it.
Yep, honestly. We're not going as slow as I thought we would.
I know, I thought we were going to go
We're
a lot
actually
slower.
like cruising.
It's like we're just driving to Mom's old job.
Yeah, honestly.
Where are all these people? Get up, wake up, wake up, wake up!
Oh my god.
They're like,
They're like, who are you?
what's going on outside? There's people driving with balloons.
Balloons. Balloons.
I can't tell the distance between this truck in front of us and the vehicle in front of them. Can you see? Oh, I can see the shadow.
Thank you. Oh, I hated marching down the street.
Yeah, whoever's leading this pack is going fast.
They are. I wonder who's leading it. Is it the cops?
It's almost like they're on a high-speed chase, man, you know?
Oh, that's cool.
Ooh. Good thing we were going slow there.
Oh, they wrote her name on the window.
They should have had cops here to let us go through the stop signs, not have to follow all the laws
I
here.
assumed that we would have cops. But
Good thing we didn't go through lights.
yeah. Oh, that would suck. Yeah, I know the street very well.
Should have brought some candy.
No, I think that's not allowed. That's so cute. Oh,
You're all winners.
that's so sweet. No, I don't think they allowed candy because Corona.
I'm just joking.
I know.
Throw candy wrappers.
Oh, that would be so sad. What a letdown.
Now, who are these girls? Do you know them?
Yeah, that's Alyssa Fitzingo and Angelina Hudson.
Mm.
I like Alyssa. Angelina's creepy.
He's creepy.
She is. I remember she spilled coffee in my math class and blamed it on someone else.
That's my honking going, hurry up.
Oh, I know that kid. I had him in band. That's Malcolm. Oh, because his brother's in this. Duh. Sucks that we have to stop.
They're letting this go.
I haven't seen any masks though.
No kidding, right?
I mean, I haven't. If I'm being honest, I have not seen one.
That's true. Well, we got the video footage here, so. Tell Deja her mom's tailgating.
Oh my god. What if our horns break? Can you fix that?
It could be fixed.
Okay, good. Mom and Tommy are the only on. let me once.
So imagine if somebody crashed.
No, that's awful. Oh my god, I thought that car was going. I was like,
He didn't even
so
stop.
Rude.
Jeez, dude.
Oh, it's Tyler. That's his family. Oh god. Oh my god. I have a new. Damn.
Play a song with that horn.
Yeah, you could. It's a fresh horn. I've never used it. I've never used it. So it's not even worn. See, Rachel in the red one, she never really had parents that, like, did anything. Because she's driving herself.
So then once we get here,
This,
What are we-
I think,
what
is
are we
teachers.
doing?
I think we just go down. I don't know. Who's that? I'm trying to see. Oh, is that Mr. It's Mr. Davis. I had him in 7th grade. Oh my god.
it's broken.
It is. Dang, who did that? That was so, like, out of rhythm. Hi. That was Dawnette. She said hi to me. Oh my god. Your thumb is going to be so sore. That was Miss Wolfenbarger. That was awful. Hi. Oh my god, he's spraying me.
That's funny.
Your poor thumb.
I know. Well, that's why I'm doing it like that now. Nobody can play a horn like I can play a horn.
No, not at all. Did you see Skylar?
No.
Aaron just shot me with silly spray.
Oh, I didn't even. Where were they at?
They were just at the end.
Oh, was
That's
that?
what all that pink stuff is now.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Because they did that to him.
I'm too busy honking. That's my problem.
I didn't see any teachers besides Mr. Davis.
That would suck.
Oh my god.
And I would
I
have it
thought
on
it
film
happened.
too.
I was like, uh-oh. What do we do now?
I don't know.
Do we go back through?
That lady's waving. Look.
I think, are we going back?
I don't know. I'm following these people.
Okay.
I'm normally not a follower, but today I am.
I know. We might be going around again. I'm not sure.
Are we going back?
I don't know. Because I thought we were going like up and down 8th. That's what the thing sounded like.
Coronavirus.
They're going back that way.
I know. Where's Deja? They're not behind us anymore. Is that them?
Oh, they probably turned to go home.
Oh, are people just going home?
I guess so.
That's
I
it?
guess that's the end. Yeah. Well, there's Mom, so might as well pull up next to her.